Our friends over at Fueled by Haters, check them out, Facebook and YouTube. They was trying one of these welding torch guns from Amazon, and they liked it. And I guess one of his videos went viral. He told me about it, and he said everybody likes it. So I've actually been needing one. Those of you who follow the channel, I was using that cheap Chinese welder, which decent welder, but I was using it because this is all wore out. I could pre-sleeve it or whatever, but listen, for the price of this thing, we're gonna try it and see how it does. But my wire kept getting jammed up in here and everything, and it's just a mess. I quit using it, and I was gonna get a replacement, but never did. I just kept using that Chinese one. Well, that one's out of wire, and I want to get back to using what wire I have left in here. So without further ado, let's open this and check it out. Now, the only thing, theirs is a flex head. I thought this one would be a flex head too. Turns out it's not. Not the end of the world, but nonetheless, it's a nice gun. I had it out of the box and was playing with it. Now, I'll have a link down below in the description of where you can get this thing. It looks like pretty good quality for what it is, and you can do gas welding with it if you want. Let's see about getting it installed here. So to actually take this off, we're going to loosen up this wing nut right there, and then we're going to loosen up this plug. Got that? Now this, you should just give it a tug and it should come right out. Now see, I might have to cut this wire because it's actually stuck in this. I don't think we're gonna get it out. No, it's stuck. I'll be back. That's exactly why we're replacing this, because that wire's stuck in that gun. I ain't messing with it. We just take it and feed the wire through there. It's in there. There we go. Now we just plug this in. It goes one way. I think it was that way. Oh, which way is it? It goes one of these ways. Hopefully this one fits. If not, we're gonna make it fit. So it should actually go line up like, there we go. Got it. And just tighten that up. So now what we want to do is lock up this wing nut so this doesn't come out. All right, there we go. She's installed. Now, what do you say we run some wire through her and see if she lays down a nice fat bead for us. All right, we got her plugged in. We got the tip taken off. Flip her on. Crank up the wire speed to 10. Get her fed right through. Come on, baby. Should be coming. I feel it. I feel it. Now let's see how this thing welds up. Not too bad at all. Pretty good. Clean that up. That's actually some pretty nice beads. Clean that up. Not too shabby. Well, guys, this little affordable YESWELDER, that thing is real nice, and I must say this rubber on here is pretty nice too. It's nice and thick. I like this here. It protects the cable from kinking. They got a spring here. They got a real spring here, but they got a plasticky one down there. So I guess we'll see how it goes, because I'm turning that picnic table into a motorized picnic table here soon. I was waiting to get this. I'm going to get some more wire because that's pretty close to being out. I'm going to get some new tips for this, and full sender, guys. Good deal. I'm going to have a link down in the description down below, and I'll also have one in the comment section. Definitely worth checking out, guys. Peace out and God bless. I thank you for stopping in and checking this video out. We'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you think. Do you have one of these? Comment down below. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button.